Samantala, reforma sa hanay ng militar. Yan ang siniguro ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Ito'y upang mapalakas pang lalo ang kanilang puwersa sa pagtitiyak sa kaligtasan ng bansa. Balitaan mo kami, Waywaya Makalma.
Patuloy ang ginagawang pagbabago ng hukbong sa natahan lakas ng Pilipinas sa mga military operation. Ito'y bago pa man nagkaroon ng insidente sa Basilan noong 2011. Ayon kay Lieutenant Colonel Ramon Zagala, parte ng protocol ng militar ang imahin ang kanilang taktika nang sa gayon ay maiwasan na ang mga casualties sa hanay ng militar.
The situation is dynamic, security environment constantly change. The techniques and tactics of our enemies like us also change. What happened here in Albarca has an impact on our command and control and coordination and our planning. And we have made necessarily adjustments so that it will not happen again.
Gayunman, naiintindihan ng AFP ang reaksyon ng ilang kaanak ng mga namatay na sundalo sa Albarca, Basilan dahil may ilang kamag-anak na hindi pa rin tanggap ang parusang binigay sa dalawang opisyal. Anila, mababaw ang parusang ipinataw sa kanila. Kaya naman itong naging mensahe ng AFP sa kanila.
There are many factors. What I can tell them is that their family members knew their duty, knew their mission, they fought gallantly and they did their job. They took an oath to protect our country. And that oath also includes the risk of our lives. Nobody wants this to happen. And we don't want to blame anybody. But what's important for us is that we recognize their gallantry. And although it's a loss, we want to let the family know that we recognize the bravery of Lieutenant K. Not just Lieutenant K, all of those who died. And that these risks that we took, they know wholeheartedly. And that I know it's hard to accept, but these are the harsh realities of serving the Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Tiniyak ng liderato ng AFP na sa bawat pagkakamaling nagagawa ng isang sundalo ay kanila pa itong pinagtitibay at pinag-aaralan nang sa gayon ay hindi na maulit ang mga ganitong pangyayari. Gaya na lang sa madugong insidente na nangyari sa Albarca, Basilan noong October 2011 na ikinasawi ng 19 na Special Forces na sundalo ng Philippine Army. Para sa telebisyon ng Bayan, Waywaya.